Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Faithful is Our God, and that is by Hezekiah Walker, one of my favorite songs. And guys, we're in the key of B flat and we're going to keep on modulating. But you know what? This song was requested by Mario Bernardo. Let's give it up for Mario. Thank you so much for that awesome request. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, we're in the key of B flat. Let's get it. It's B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat. And of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, we have an awesome Hezekiah Walker in the building. He is going to come through and bless us. But you know what? We're going to take this moment to crack our hands. We're going to stretch them out. And we're going to receive Hezekiah Walker with Faithful is Our God. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So I want to first start off by showing you this very beautiful intro. Let me give you that. So we're on the 1. We're playing our B flat major chord. We're doing this beautiful line. E flat, F, and then we're playing our chord, F major chord on the 7, another line. We're doing E flat to the D, and now we're on our 2. We're playing this G minor chord. Another line, C, B flat, and then we're going to our 6, G minor chord to the F major chord on the 5. Next part. What is that? So we're on our 1, we're playing our B flat major chord, we're doing a line, D, E flat, F. Now we're on our 7, we're playing an F major chord, another line, that's B flat, A, and then we're playing our chord, that's the E flat major chord on the 2. All that is we're on the 6, we're playing a B flat major chord, going to the F major chord on the 5, and then we start our song. Faithful, faithful, faithful is our God. All right, what is that? We're on our 1, we're playing a B flat major chord, going to the 7, F major chord. Now we're on our 2, here's a beautiful E flat 6 chord, going to the 6, B flat major chord, resolve with the 5, F major chord. So we will play that stanza 4 times. And by that 4th stanza, we will play faithful, faithful, faithful is our God. It changes up right there. That chord is, on the 3, we're playing our C6 sus2 chord. I know it's a lot. C6 sus2 chord. And then we're going to resolve. We're playing our D dominant 7 chord. I'm reaping the harvest God promised me. Take back what the devil stole from me. All right, let me give you that. So we're on the 6. We're playing our G minor chord. And then we're going to our 4. Playing 2 chords there. We're playing an F major chord, and then we're going to our E flat major chord. And you just basically repeat that, right? All right. The next part through is, let me give you that. That's and I rejoice today. So we're on the 3. We're playing our D major chord. We're going to our 5 flat. We're playing our G minor chord. We're going to our C diminished 7 chord on the 6 flat. Then we're going to our G minor chord right there on the 6. Right? Yeah, so we're on our 2 flat. We're playing our F diminished 7 chord. And then we're playing our E flat 6 chord on the 2. And I shall recover it all. Let me give you that. So all we're doing is we're on our E flat 6 chord, and we're on the 2. We're just walking up 3, 4. Right here on the 5, we're playing our F dominant 7 chord. Keep on walking up 6, 7, and then 1. That's a regular B flat major chord. And then of course you just repeat that again. And I rejoice today, and I shall recover it all. Right. That turnaround is this chord right here, E flat 6 sus2. Beautiful chord there. So of course, you know, we will modulate a couple times, right? I believe they modulate probably 3 times in this song. And we are ending on our D flat major, one of my favorite keys. But your homework is to learn all of these chords that I just taught you in every key. So for example, if we're in the key of B, 1, going to the 7, 2, then we're going to the 6, 5. It's the same in every key, guys. And then also if we're going to the key of C, we're going 1, 7, 2, 6, 5. Same exact thing, right? If we're going to the key of D flat, we're going 1, 7. It's the same thing, guys, right? 2, 6, 5. So that'll be your homework, all right? All right, so now I want to give you this last part. There's one thing I want to give you. We're still in the key of D flat, right? We're going to stay right here. So we're on the 6. This is what they do, right? Reaping the harvest God promised me. Take back what the devil. Right? So what they're doing is they're on the 6. They're playing this B flat minor chord. And then they're going to the 4. And they're playing this G flat dominant 7 chord. And then they're going. Let me give you that. We're playing our B flat minor chord on our 6. We're going 6 flat, 7. And then we're playing our D flat 13 chord, beautiful chord. And then we're going to our 4. That's our G flat dominant 7 chord. Now there is one part at the very end. They go, and I rejoice today. Let me give you that, right? So we're on our 3. We're playing our F dominant 7 chord, walking up 5 flat, 6 flat, going to the 6. We're on our B flat minor chord. We're on our 2 flat. We're playing our A flat diminished 7 chord. We're going to the 2, and we're playing this nice beautiful chord here. That's a G flat 6 chord. And they go. Let me give you those 3 chords. We're on our 6, B flat minor chord. Going to this D flat dominant 7 chord on the 5. And then we're playing our G flat dominant 7 chord on the 4. Guys, I hope this was a blessing for you. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt you. I know things are getting good, but before we continue, come join our growing Numerical Melodies community on Facebook. I'm sharing all the songs I love to hear and play, and I hope you will too. Go check it out. And now, back to our lesson. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is seconds away. The other morning on my way to work, I pulled up behind a line of cars waiting at a railroad crossing. You know the kind. The train isn't moving. Everyone's just sitting there. Engines running, patience wearing thin. The guy in front of me finally had enough. He backed up, turned around, and took off like, I'm not about to sit here waiting all day. And honestly, I get it. But here's the thing. Seconds after he left, the train started moving. Just like that. I couldn't help but to think how irritated he would have been if he knew. That moment when you realize, if I had just waited a little longer. That kind of frustration sticks with you because it wasn't anyone else's fault. It was impatience. So often in life, we leave our position too soon. We walk away, change direction, or give up, only to realize later we were seconds away from moving forward. Sometimes the smartest move is simply staying put a little longer. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and working with me on today. I really appreciate that. And you know what, Mario Bernardo, thank you again for that awesome request. Please request more. Guys, you know what? This is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard you say it, 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. You know what? We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Yes, a subscribe button. I said it. It takes 3 seconds, guys. I believe you can hit it in 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it. There you just hit that subscribe. Thank you so much. Guys, you have just made my day. I really appreciate you. And you know what? You're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.